President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. said he took pride in following the footsteps of his father, the late President Ferdinand Marcos Sr., to improve the living condition of farmers in Cagayan Valley as he led the launch of a solar-powered irrigation system in the region on Monday, June 10.
Kaya sadya po namin sadya pong hindi nagkamali ang aking ama na si Pangulong Marcos Sr. na ipinatayo ang Magat Dam na magsisilbing susi sa pag-uunlad ng agrikultura dito sa Isabela at buong Cagayan Valley. Kaya sa araw na ito, ikinararangal ko na sundan ang yapak ng aking ama at dagdagan ang lahat ng kanyang nagawa para sa ating mga magsasaka at kanilang mga pamilya.
The 65.77 million pesos project includes the installation of over 1,000 solar panels. This system can produce 12,800 gallons of water per minute and can supply irrigation to 350 hectares of agricultural land. According to President Marcos, this will greatly help farmers, especially during the El Niño phenomenon. Therefore, he has instructed the National Irrigation Administration to study the implementation of solar power systems for the government's irrigation assets.
Inaanyayahan ko rin kayong pag-aralan kung alin pa sa mga irrigation asset natin sa bansa ang maaari natin lagyan ng power generation kagaya rito o iba pang mga pasilidad na upang lubos nating mapakinabangan ang mga ito at mabawasan ang gastos na pasanin ng ating mga magsasaka sa pagpapatakbo nito.
The President also reported that 152 solar-powered pump irrigation projects are being constructed with 118 projects to be put up by the government. Nel Maribuho, UNTV News and Rescue, we serve the people, we give glory to God.